Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here going to run through the trade with you on this 8th day of June 2026. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today. So let's look at what we got. And we usually look for our strong candle indicator, which is this little red, in this case, triangle pointing in the direction we want to trade, which is downwards. And it says, go ahead and take this trade short. Now we just have to see what kind of targets we're looking at. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 150, 100 and 150 ticks long. So we're going to use our standard 20, 50, and 100 tick targets. We'll de-risk the trade after 20 and see if we can catch our runners. And this is how it all went down in the live trading room today. So market, here we go. There we go. So first thing we do is put our stop where it belongs. And you'll see when our first target gets hit, it automatically brings our stop down to a break-even position. I'm going to put another order way down the bottom of the screen here. And if this comes back and takes us out at break-even, I have to decide whether I want to put another trade on or not, which I do because the setup is just too really good. That's exactly what happened right there. So we got our first target out. We de-risked the trade. Now, if this just runs long, I'm hedging myself here. If it wants to run long, great. If it comes back and picks me up again, highly likely it's going to pay. Put our stop back over top of the last major failure point and just wait for the first target to get hit. All right, first target's out again. Again, I'll put another order on. If it comes out and takes me out at break even again, I'll get another order on. And we'll put another order on. What we're doing is saying, if this comes back and takes me out and wants to keep running along, I'm not going to be involved in it. So our second target's out. So I don't think we need this anymore. No matter what happens at this point, we're going to make money. So we're 20 plus 20, 40 ticks plus 50 ticks, 90 ticks ahead right now. And my stop is at minus 18. And there we go. Boom, that's out. So that took about a minute and a half to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in a minute and a half, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com. Only place you're going to find the strong candle indicators, and it's a super one. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.